Remove the next screws. Open the packing case. Remove the packaging film. Be careful that the accessories do not fall off. Get someone to lift the machine out. These are random accessories. Install the feed tray. Install the flat receiving plate. Install the folding lid. Install fittings for receiving paper. Install the receiving baffle. Install the wire reel. Direction of attention. Turn the triangle knob 90 degrees to the right. Pull the valve down. Take down the rest of the material. Start mounting material. Pull the valve down. Insert the material until it doesn't move. Through the middle of the cleaning sponge. Turn the triangle knob 90 degrees to the left. The other method is the same.